Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And the first thing that I love about this Shilajit from Duo Xiongla is that for me, I really notice a difference with my energy levels, outlook, and stamina when I use it on a consistent basis. This is high quality Shilajit made with authentic processes with no fillers or additives. And it's tested by third parties. This gives me peace of mind to know that what I'm ingesting is authentic, it is what it says it is, and it's going to be good for me. So if you've ever tasted Shilajit before, then you know that it has a really strong kind of smoky flavor to it. My favorite way to use it is to use the little spoon that's provided with the jar. You only need a pea-sized amount, so I just kind of level that off on the side of the jar. And then I immediately eat that off the tiny little spoon, and then a little bit of honey that I've put in a different spoon, and then I might follow that up with some warm tea. I've also mixed it into warm tea with some honey, and that's a good way to take it as well, as long as the water is not hot. This jar that you get is gold grade, and it comes with enough for 100 servings. I love that this has 85 trace minerals in it and high levels of fulvic and humic acid. Now, I'm not a medical professional, so if you're considering taking this, it's definitely something that you want to discuss with your provider. I've found that it has benefited me greatly, and I love the genuine quality of this one from Duo Xiongla, and that's my point of view.